If your internet feels slow and risky, you're missing out. Don't worry, setting up 1.1.1.1 VPN is easier than you think. Let's do it together. First things first, open your web browser and go to 1.1.1.1. Click the big Download for Windows button. The setup file will start downloading. Once it's finished, double-click the file to start installing. If Windows asks if you want to make changes, click Yes. The installer will open. Just follow the steps and hit Install. It only takes a minute or two. When it's done, the 1.1.1.1 app should pop up automatically. If not, look for the little 1.1.1.1 icon on your desktop or in the Start menu and double-click it. Now here's the easy part. You'll see a big switch in the app window. Click the switch to turn on the VPN. It should glow or change color when it's active. That's it. Your internet is now safer and a bit faster, all thanks to 1.1.1.1. You don't need to change any settings. The app handles everything for you. Want to turn the VPN off? Just open the app and hit the switch again. Simple. So next time you go online, you'll know your connection is protected. Enjoy your browsing and give yourself a pat on the back. You just made your internet smarter in under 2 minutes.